Well, hey guys, and happy holidays, and welcome to the 12 Days of Christmas video series. In this video series, I'm going to go over 12 ABA concepts to help you prepare for your BCBA exam, and also include a mock question at the end. So I highly encourage you to respond to the mock question in the comments below, and that's where I'm going to tell you if you got it right or wrong. So today we're going to talk a little bit about habit reversal. And what is habit reversal? So habit reversal simply is a self-managed procedure that says when you're trying to reduce a behavior, you're just going to do something else instead. So for example, if I want to reduce the amount of time I'm watching television, I'm simply going to do something else instead of watching television. Maybe I'm going to go for yoga, or I'm going to go for a run, or I'm going to walk my dog, right? It's anything else. Let's just say I have a bad habit of picking my nails. Well, every time I want to pick my nails, I'm going to do something else. I'm going to go get a stress ball. I'm going to do something else that'll help me achieve that same goal. So that is simply what habit reversal is. That is all you need to know about it in order to pass your exam. So let's take a look at a mock question that's going to really give you an indication of what it's going to look like if you're going to get a question about habit reversal. Okay, guys, so here is what a question is going to look like about habit reversal on your exam. Maybe if you get one, it may look differently, but as long as you know this concept, you're fine. So it says, Jessica wants to use habit reversal in order to stop drinking wine every night before bed. What should she do? A, drink lots of wine to create wine into an aversive. B, punish herself when she drinks wine. C, drink chamomile tea instead. And D, reward herself when she doesn't drink wine for 3 days in a row. Well, by now, after watching this video, you should know the answer, so drop it in the comments below. Again, thank you for staying tuned for this special video, part of our 12 Days of Christmas series. If you're watching this and it is no longer the holidays, well, I have good news for you. The holidays might be over, but habit reversal has not changed its definition since the holidays are over. So happy studying. Good luck passing your BCBA exam. If you want to access more resources that I have, including intensives and courses on how to pass your exam, check out my website, hopeeducationservices.com.